Hello, welcome back to Elite Recipes. Today we are going to make cauliflower lemon sabji. Sabji is nothing but puriyal. So this is a very healthy recipe. So I have taken one cauliflower. In that one cauliflower, I have taken 200 grams of cauliflower, one lemon, mustard seeds, broken urud dal, 2 red chilies, salt, turmeric powder, asafoetida, curry leaves. So now I have grated the 200 grams of cauliflower like this. Channa dal, 2 tablespoons, cooking oil. These are the ingredients needed. So now I have boiled water and adding the grated cauliflower in that. See how it is boiling. Just after 2 minutes, strain the excess water like this. So now boiled cauliflower is ready. Now on the stove, heat the kadai. I am adding 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add mustard seeds, broken urud dal, asafoetida, sort this well till color changes. Now add red chilies, channa dal. Give a good mix till channa dal color changes. This is a yummy, delicious recipe. This is a different side dish recipe for lunch. Add curry leaves. Add turmeric powder and salt. Give a good mix and turn off the flame. After turning off the flame only you have to squeeze the lemon. So for this 200 grams of cauliflower, 1 lemon is enough. So now add the boiled cauliflowers. Give a good mix slowly. Slowly the color would change to yellow. The preparation is like making of lemon rice. So some people, to reduce their weight, instead of taking rice, they are using this cauliflower and consuming it. This is a very tasty sabji. You people can try, subscribe and comment. See how beautifully it has come. Now cauliflower lemon sabji is ready. You can transfer to a vessel.